tedding hay and silage from the first to the last cut in sloping and flat land, the KRONE rotary tedders help control your wilting processes, boost your harvest efficiency and forage quality, especially in narrow harvest windows. High-quality forage is the basis for healthy animals and high milk production levels. The product range comprises 9 models of work widths from 4.70 metres to 11.20 metres. The machines are coupled to the 3-point linkage via a compact V-frame. This type of attachment brings the tedder close to the tractor and ensures only very little load is taken off the front axle. Thanks to its robust yet lightweight design, the machine is also suitable for compact tractors. The angled damping struts gently align the machine in the centre when it is being lifted and stabilise it when in transport and headland position. At the same time, the tines are raised in a forward and upward movement so they won't poke into the ground. The preloaded struts damp and control the machine, ensuring stable castering in curves, on side slopes, in uphill and downhill work. At the heart of these tedders is the new KRONE OptiTurn concept. Depending on its diameter, each rotor has 5, 6 or 7 tine arms. The large gauge wheels run very closely to the tines for ideal ground contouring. The new KRONE OptiTurn tines feature a 3D design for thorough gathering and uniform spreads across the entire working width. The tine shafts have different lengths, so they always operate in the optimum range. The grass is literally lifted off the ground instead of being dragged along, a method that clearly reduces contamination. Attached eccentrically to the arms, the tines can also be set vertically to give even more intensive conditioning. Spreading the grass in a fluffy mat encourages ventilation and drying. The absence of lumps means there is no risk of moulding due to poor ventilation. Wilting tines are reduced to a minimum. Depending on the model, the tedders have 4, 6 or 10 rotors of various diameters to suit different needs and applications. Small diameter rotors offer greater overlap and better contouring and are perfect for harvesting hay, whereas large diameter rotors are best for large-scale silage making. The angle of throw is altered without tools by refitting pins to one of 4 positions, to a steep angle for tedding and to a shallow angle for turning. The driveline is 100% mechanical, which translates into maximum efficiency. The robust 8-finger Octolink clutches make for frictional connections in any position and angle. This design cuts out the risk of damage due to operator error. The joints are lubrication-free. The rotor drives and the main gearbox are absolutely maintenance-free. They are hermetically sealed and permanently lubricated. For extra machine control in extremely difficult terrain, you can opt for an extra gauge wheel on the headstock. On the headland, the arms are lifted out to a generous height for generous ground clearance. This is particularly useful when reversing or crossing ditches and obstacles. This feature is an option on all machines with 4 and 6 rotors and a standard feature on all other models. A new feature is the central border spreading control, which is cable operated from the seat. The unit moves into working position as the machine is heading towards the border and is then locked automatically. There are 3 different working positions. The control can also be hydraulic and stepless. This is the case on the 8 and 10 rotor machines and an option on all others. Wide in the field and narrow on the road, folding the large machines to a less than 3 metre transport width is done in a matter of minutes. In storage position, the machine rests, cantilevered on stands, with the central gauge wheels being suspended. The stand at the rear can be mounted in various positions and offsets the current stroke of the leading damper struts for easy and safe attachment and removal. The three-pointed mounted rotary tedders from KRONE help control your wilting and drying processes, improve the quality of your forage, and boost your harvest chains.